custom sword and knife maker.
Okay. Where are you based?
Based in Edinburgh.
What have you got on your hilt there?
Well, returning an old veteran to the field here today. This was the sword of Donald Robertson of Wood Shield. He was the Jacobite commander of Clan Donnachaidh. He wasn't the chief. The chief was too old at the time. He was the cousin of the chief, appointed commander for 45 campaigns.
Cool. Where does that live now?
This sword is usually on display in the Clan Donnachaidh Museum, which is just at the House of Brewer.
House of Brewer. Okay, very good. Can you show it to the camera a wee bit?
Yes. She's a plastic hilted broadsword, and she's, I would say, about 300 years old now.
300.
It was last year, 270 years ago, in the hand of that commander. We fought here and he was left for dead on the field. But he was recovered and made his way to France after that. Came back in 1772 and died a few years later.
He was dead.
As far as we know.
Is that deer antler?
This is aye. It's
Red
red
deer.
deer stag antler here, aye. And it's a very, very similar pattern and form to the original sword of Roy MacGregor.
Alright.
And I believe both those swords were made at the armoury in Innerwick in Glen Lyon, which was an armoury which was run for 14 generations by Farlands. They made some of the finest arms in Scotland.
Just what you do now.
Well, keep some traditions alive.
Aye. Is it sharp?
It's aye, she's as sharp as the day she was made, yes.
She's seen a bit of wear, obviously.
Oh sure, aye. I mean, it's known, we know the action she saw at Culloden for sure, and it's possible she could have seen some action before that.
What's on the other side here?
The other side?
Of your hip?
On the other side here is a dirk of my own making.
You made that?
Yes, aye. Oh, aye, sure. It's a dirk in an earlier form. A dirk in an earlier form, in the late 17th or 18th century. So this is a form of an early style that you see with the holes in the blade.
Right. What did they do?
It was for function first. You would keep your blade clean because you might use it for cutting your own meat and such. But if you were committed to sticking somebody at least that deep with the blade, then you would keep the dirt and you would keep detritus in there. So that if you were going that far, at least you would set infection in the wound to make sure that they wouldn't come chasing you after.
Nasty. Pretty effective.
Tool for a job.
Tool for a job, aye. And did you make the scabbard for it?
Yes, aye.
You did yourself? Fantastic. Brilliant. Do you have a website?
Yes, aye. From Macdonald Armouries.
Macdonald Armouries.
Find us easy.
And you're on Facebook?
Yes, aye. Facebook.